Namaskar, Ashish Mittal again from Arson. Friends, one more set in teak wood, antique gold paint, a five-seater, and this is more like a Turkish design that are available online. If you go for Turkey furniture and search, you will find something like this that are visible quite easily in catalog pictures, not the actual set. Because 90% images of heavy furniture that are online in finished state with the chandeliers and vases and carpets and windows, all that designing are catalog images, software generated, not actual stuff. But the one I'm showing you is the actual stuff here that we have created, crafted in fact, and this one is going to Florida. With other set I've shown you earlier, the same client, she has got two sets. One is this, the other one I've shown you earlier. Now this one is again a 3-1-1. This is a complete living room with a table and two side tables. Table I'll show you later. First we'll talk about a three-seater here. It's a quite different design than the one I've shown you in my videos and pictures. Different in terms of the structural design. Now with these kind of units, if you see the design part here, the handle is curved like this and it gives a different view to the set. And here I'm getting complete support from the back till this side. So if I'm sitting in a corner, I'm getting full support in the shoulder. That is generally not available in other units. The back is quite high here, and the Taj part, the crown part is over the head. And that is the concept of the Victorian or the Maharaja sofas. And the overall design, a comfortable as well as very wide design with a lot of space here. The back quilting, as you can see, is a big back here. So it gives the contemporary look to the unit. And the sides are a different style quilted. So tufting is a little different than the normal sets we create. The top Taj here is limited to the middle area. Instead of the complete flowing down the wings design, this is the middle Taj. And the crafting on the leg is quite beautiful, as you can see here. Nice fine carving. And the front part here that you see is a curved one. Is going like this, then a little inside, then again flowing out and going inside. So it's like a wave that you see the front part here. And in the similar fashion, the seat is created. The seat is going inside from here and outside. So similarly, the seat part is created. It's a folding cushion, removable cushion. The entire seat is removable. When you have removable cushion, you see the same fabric is used in the lower area here, and the seating is a different color. Now here I'll also like to explain the concept of the back quilting. Quilting, the tufting you see here. Generally, when we have the back in quilting, we choose a plain fabric because if we have something like this, the texture part, with the quilting, with the crisscross design, the pattern goes off. So the flower is running in this shape, it will go off. That doesn't look very nice. With the plain fabric, it goes very nicely. And the concept for this one is, we take the base color or the best color from the base unit, just like this one, the green, the blue one. This blue fabric is matched with the back. So the color of the entire unit is drawn, and finally we get this outcome. This one is also going to Florida, and the client has chosen the fabrics herself, and the design, the colors, the antique gold paint, and the number of seating. About the chairs, these are the open-handled chairs. It doesn't have a cover on the sides, and the handle part is here is wood, and we have small cushions on the sides for the hand support. And again, a very comfortable and wide chair. The space is nice, and you can sit easily on this one. The back is high and gives the look of a throne or a Maharaja chair again for the chair part alone. The designing work, the artwork is from the catalog, and we created a piece out of a catalog in actual. So number of images that you see online, and most of the sellers who have posted similar images on their website that are not actual, they are turned to reality here. And here you can see what the real outcome is. Of course, once we change the fabrics and we change the different colors, you choose different colors, the design tends to look a little different from what we see in the catalog. But actual pictures and catalog pictures do have some difference, because something that is generated on a computer and something that is crafted by hand by artisans and finally colored and painted and quilted and cushioned looks like this. The center table, or a lot of people call it teepot, is 3 by 3, a square table with a hard top, again in antique gold paint, and it matches the design of the sofa. So the leg part you see is quite similar to the work that we have on the chair legs. And similar to this, we have two side tables, one sitting here, one on the other corner. This is 20 inches square outer. From here to here, it will cover 20 inches of space. The top is 18 inches square. The legs are coming out a little, so it takes in some extra space there. Hard top, heavy top, and it's quite heavy also. The weight is quite good for this unit. The kind of wood carving and woodworking we are doing here at Arson is amazing, as well as very different from what you see in online or other stores near you. This type of work is the handwork that we are doing. It's not machine work, it's not CNC. A lot of people are involved in this industry in Saharanpur itself. And this is the crafting techniques, the art of these people that we are promoting for the past almost 38 years now. This one is going to US, and we have shipped to almost all parts of the world, to Oman recently, Australia, Germany, UK, Netherlands, and Ghana, Tanzania, Nigeria, Japan, Australia, New Zealand. And we are getting orders from everywhere. Recently, we got an order from Russia also. So the work is in front of you, and the kind of work we are doing and showing you in videos, in so close and in real videos. This is not a hi-fi setup. It's a very simple setup we have in our showroom, where all the raw structures and other stuff that are getting completed are sitting next to it. So in a normal setup, I'm showing you the actual unit and the actual work very clearly with the dimensions and the design and the fabric that you can see here. So the work speaks for itself, and I can only explain about the product. There's nothing more I can do, because it's showing itself, it's speaking for itself. I request you to let us know how we are doing. We have made so many designs, so many sets already in actual and shown on YouTube in my past more than 425 videos now. And these kind of units are not easily visible, but we are making. We are sending out globally. And if I'm not wrong, no other company like us who is making crafting furniture may have shown you so many actual units like these. And the same can be confirmed from the testimonials, from the reviews that we are getting online, the comments on YouTube. So everywhere we are getting so much love and so much blessings from our clients. If you want us to talk about something else, let us know. Or if you want to show us some other part or other design, we can do that. I'll request you to let us know for some comments, and hope for some guidance from you. Thank you so much.